In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to speed up a video in Canva. Whether you're looking to create a snappier presentation or just want to make your clips move a bit faster, this guide will walk you through each step to get your video editing done quickly and efficiently. First things first, you'll need to head over to Canva's website. Simply open your web browser and type in canva.com. Once the homepage loads, find the Login button, which should typically be at the top right corner of the page. Click on it to proceed. If you're not already logged in, you'll see options to choose your preferred method of logging in. For this tutorial, let's continue with the Google account option. Click Continue as prompted. Next, you're going to select your Google account. Just find your account in the list or sign in if prompted, then click on Continue again. This will bring you to your Canva dashboard where all your projects are displayed. From here, find and open the video project you want to work on. If you haven't uploaded your video yet, you can easily do so by clicking on Uploads and selecting your file. Once your project is open, you'll need to select the specific clip you wish to speed up. Simply click on the clip in the timeline or within the design space. With your clip selected, look for the Edit option, usually found in the upper toolbar or as a right-click menu option. Click on Edit to bring up the editing settings. Now within the editing panel, you should see different options to adjust your video settings. We're focusing on altering the video speed today, so look for the video speed section. Here, Canva provides a slider or input field where you can tweak how fast your video plays. You can increase the playback speed all the way up to 2 times the original speed if needed. Simply drag the slider or input your desired speed. After adjusting the speed, ensure your video clip is at the desired starting point before previewing. Click on the timestamp labeled zeros to cue your video to the start. Now it's time to see your edits in action. Click on play to preview how your sped up video looks. And there you have it, your video clip should now play at the increased speed that you set. This feature is particularly useful when you want to convey a time-lapsed effect or just make your content more dynamic. Once you're satisfied with the changes, ensure to save your project. Thank you for following along with this tutorial on how to speed up a video in Canva. If you found these instructions helpful, don't hesitate to give it a try and make your videos more engaging. Happy editing!